RestoMods Nation, good morning. We are at Barona Speedway here in Barona, California. We're gonna put some times up and see how we do. And I am so stoked. Let's go do this. We got, of course, the RestoMods cars here, 1970 Dodge Charger and 68 Camaro. Hedge, you're gonna put up some times today, huh?
Hopefully.
You gonna beat everyone with this twin turbo Velociraptor?
I don't know who we're gonna beat. Allegedly there's a TRX coming, and I'd love to do Raptor v TRX.
We got Ryan who's running this clown operation. Look at this
I'm
guy
close
over
up
here.
right now. Hey, how we doing? We're out here.
Look at this jacket he's wearing.
We're at Barona Drags. About to have a great day.
Hey.
This is Jessica.
We're
She's
about
new
to
to
drag
the team.
race.
What cars are we racing?
All of them. The Camaro.
The Camaro.
Hey, whose Charger is gonna win if we go head to head, dude?
I would hope this one, but we'll see.
Damn, she sounds good.
If you're out there with your shoes, watch it, because your shoes will come off and then your socks and then you'll fall down. I've seen two guys do it. Yeah, two guys.
We got Mr. Tall Guy over here ready to race. All right, so in this first heat, we got Hedge driving the FSG Hellcat. Then we also got Esparza driving the RestoMods 70 Charger.
Pop my f***ing eardrums.
Damn, dude, that sounds good.
Dude, it went almost the whole track in second. It felt like it had no traction.
We got the Garage Collective boys here. What's up, Grayson?
What's up?
You guys are gonna go for a little rip, huh?
I got 2,000 horsepower in this guy. I'm kidding. 200.
All right, Garage Collective is going up against RestoMods. So what I want to know is who's gonna win.
Is your car running? It's running.
Saul, you ready to rip?
Hell yeah, baby. Let's do it.
This is the matchup you've been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. TJ beat Saul. So I feel like all you gotta do is just twin turbo this thing.
Yeah.
And then you'll have them, dude.
Yeah,
and then you'll have them.
All
Yeah.
my cars are turbo cars.
Right?
And this one went NA.
Yeah.
Maybe that's where I messed up.
TJ, how does it feel to be faster than Saul, dude?
It's not that big of a deal.
Oh, snap.
This is the most disrespectful camera placement I've ever seen. Alright, you know what? We're gonna run on foot right now.
I'll still win.
Oh!
It's gonna be close. Oh! All right, Fast Monty versus RestoMods. Here we go. You beat him.
Hey, drop this.
Battle of the Chargers right here. Here we go. 1970 versus 1969. Woo! That sounds like America right there. Esparza slipped at the start there. Oh! Here we go, Battle of the Docks. He's catching. doesn't get closer than that, folks. That was a 912 versus a 916. Sparza, you've had some really solid pulls today. How you feeling, man?
Good.
Feeling
Feel
good?
Yeah, it was fun. A lot
Yeah.
of cool people came out just to run their cars and have fun. We got a good variety of cars. It's always fun to see. There's some surprises there. We just had a Range Rover. There spent quite a few people. Anybody else out there has a fast SUV, watch out for those Range Rovers, you know?
Right.
It's not just track hawks out there.
Well, that wraps our little race day at Barona Drags. Thanks again for your support, RestoMods Nation. You guys make all this possible. If you liked watching this day of racing at Barona Drags, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. We really appreciate the support that you guys have been giving us. As always, keep cruising, you guys.